guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at the all-new CGO600 Pro by Tenways. This here is an ultra-lightweight e-bike weighing at just 37 pounds, making it one of the lightest e-bikes we ever reviewed. In fact, you can just go ahead and lift it up with one hand. Now, this thing is actually pretty cool, mainly because of the fact that it is literally all self-integrated. So it doesn't even look like an e-bike just from appearance, and this has a little digital screen here on the side that gives you control in terms of speed, as well as giving your distance and range specifics. Now, aside that, it is a carbon fiber belt-driven e-bike, meaning it does only have one gear, but you do get full control in terms of speed, as well as capability to go ahead and customize it in terms of your liking. Now, this one here is the Avocado Green. However, they do have some other cool colors as well, but this one definitely caught my eye. Now, if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description, and in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. Alright guys, so check it out. So this here's our box. This here's our Tenways CGO600 Pro. Pretty cool looking packaging, kind of showcases like a silhouette of the actual bike here. Pretty heavy to begin with, so do extra caution when you do bring it in. Well, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Alright, so check it out. So this here's the packaging inside. So you got this box here with some accessories. We got everything kind of nicely wrapped here. You got your seat right here as well. Alright, so this here's everything that we're working with. So you have this really cool looking tool set. Check this out. So you get all your different accessories, and you have these little wrenches and everything is included that you need to go ahead and build this. You have your user manual here. This will go ahead and explain to you how to go ahead and build it step by step in nice graphical. Wow, look at that. Actually colored to it, and talks about the app integration in terms of you being able to use the screen. Now, we also have our battery, I believe, in this box here. We have our seat, and then we have this really awesome looking bike. Now, it's actually plastic wrapped, which is the first time I've seen a bike wrapped like that. But just looking at this color, look at this thing. Oh my God, I love this. Overall, it looks like a pretty simple concept. Let's go ahead and get to it and build ourselves an e-bike. Alright, so we're outside on this beautiful day, and I have to say this thing looks absolutely gorgeous. It was significantly very easy to build. In fact, it was actually one of the most easiest e-bikes I've ever built. I do love the quality of it. Everything on it is really nice. Now, just looking at it, you have to say that the color is absolutely phenomenal. And as you kind of look at it in terms of details, you can see all the cool specs. So as you can see from the front to the back, you have this nice looking handlebar. It does have these interesting looking grippers that are not entirely comfortable, but they're actually pretty nice for what they are. It does have a bell, and then it does have this cool looking screen over here that lets you to go ahead and control the speed, as well as showcase different specs, including range. You have your front and rear brake, as well as a key for your locking mechanism for your battery pack, which is actually integrated into the wall itself. Now, I love the fact that it actually matches in color to your bike. This being the Avocado Green, has to say it actually looks really neat. Now, they do have some decals here that they actually went ahead and essentially put a clear coat over, which is kind of neat as well too. You have your front and rear fenders, of course, which says Tenways. The bike itself does look really cool in the sense that it is just one frame. And then you do have the carbon fiber belt driven. So it's got nothing else in terms of like oils or a bunch of gears. It's a really simple concept that actually works very well. I'm a particularly big fan of the carbon fiber belt driven just because they're actually a lot more easier to maintain and significantly easier to use. Now, aside that, this one has just a backlight that you go ahead and turn on, but it does have a working headlight, which you can see right over here. Now, other than that, it looks pretty simple. So let's just go ahead and hop on this thing next and try it out. All right, and we're off. So it does give you a live readout of the exact speed on the left-hand side here, saying right now we're going about 13 kilometers per hour. Definitely a great road bike for the nonetheless. They did a great job with it, making it very nimble. Of a bike that's an e-bike, it doesn't even feel like it at all. Honestly, it feels like a road bike more than anything. Now, I do love the color a lot. I think they did a great job with that selection. The matte green with the vinyl decals definitely makes it an eye candy piece. Now, it is fully adjustable in terms of the physical bar itself. And of course, you do have the front and rear brake. Now, being belt driven, you don't have any gears. However, you can adjust the speed by controlling the speedometer on the left-hand side here. And when you click on menu, you can actually go through the different settings. Alright, so after riding it, I have to give some feedback on it. Now, one thing it does lack is obviously a suspension, so you don't have the front or rear suspension, making it going over bumps quite difficult, but other than that, it's actually a great road bike nonetheless. I do like the fact that it's very nimble and very lightweight. It does feel like you're just riding any ordinary bike, and it doesn't even feel like an e-bike without any words. Now, aside that, the only other complaint I would have is I did wish it had a working integrated taillight, as well as the handlebars are essentially a little bit more difficult or uncomfortable to say. Other than that, it's actually a great bike. The cushion's really nice, the color is beautiful, definitely has a great integration to it. Almost looks like a work of art as it's moving. And yeah, I mean, if you're looking for something that's great for a daily, hands down, definitely a way to go. Now, with that said, if you had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next episode. Take care now. Bye-bye.